From a single purified crystal, the journey of the microchip begins. Silicon is shaped under controlled conditions. This ensures absolute structural perfection, carefully transported through a contamination-free environment. Every movement of the microchip is guided with precision to preserve its flawless integrity. Inside a sealed cleanroom, the microchip enters a world where even the smallest particle can define the difference between failure and perfection. The silicon is sliced into ultra-thin wafers, forming the essential base upon which every future layer of the microchip will be built. Polished to a mirror-like finish, each wafer prepares the microchip for the next stage, where precision at the atomic level becomes critical. Through advanced photolithography, light transfers intricate patterns, allowing the first blueprint of the microchip to emerge with microscopic accuracy. Etching processes carve these patterns deeper, shaping the pathways that will define how the microchip functions at its core. At an atomic scale, ion implantation alters the material itself, giving the microchip its electrical properties and functional identity. Layer deposition builds the microchip's structure. Precise layers are stacked atom by atom. High-speed testing verifies every circuit, ensuring the microchip performs instantly under demanding conditions. Each unit is separated and packaged, ready for integration into modern technology. From raw silicon to advanced innovation, the microchip powers the modern world.